Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how you can enable environment variable for pip command. Sometimes you have seen that Python already installed, Python is working well, but pip command is not working because for pip command, environment variable is not set up. That's why pip command is not working. So to set up, first we have to find out where is our pip command. First we go to the C drive and check the program files and where is Python is installed. This is the Python 311-32. Go there and go to the scripts, and this is the directory where the command is installed, and we just need to copy that path and go to the search bar, type env and select that system environment variable and edit the system environment variable and go to the environment variable and go to the path, and at the end of the path you just need to provide semicolon and paste that the command directory path, that is program files python 311-32 slash scripts, and click OK, and OK, and finally press OK. And next what you have to do, next go to the command prompts, type here, and you will see that the command will show the all the information related to the pip command. That means pip command successfully set up. And for your information, pip is a Python package manager. That's all.